So today I'm going to show you how to make some fingerless gloves. This is a good way to use up old sweaters that have too many holes in to wear anymore, or if you're like Ron Weasley and end up with an ugly Christmas sweater that you hate, you can turn them into fingerless gloves. So you want to start by getting yourself an old sweater and cut the sleeves off of it. Slide your hand in and mark out where your thumb sits, and then just cut a slit right down the side where your thumb sits. Just a slit. And your thumb should be able to fit through that. Then slide it back on your hand again, and you just want to sew in between your fingers. So you want 2 fingers on either side of the stitch you're sewing. So you just sew a few stitches right across the center of the opening. Once you get all the stitches sewn, you'll need a few, just enough to hold it in place, and just tie them off and cut off the excess thread. So you'll have a little connection there in the middle, your fingers go on either side of it. And then just hem around the slit that you made for your thumb. Just fold it over and hem around that, just like that. Your thumb will slide right in there then. And then on the very bottom of the sleeve, you want to hem all the way around that. Give it a nice smooth edge on the bottom of your gloves. So here's the basic glove. You can wear them just like that, or you can add some embellishments. Buttons or jingle bells are cute, so just slide those onto a piece of thread and then just sew those onto the gloves, only going through the top layer, of course. And just sew those on with a few stitches and tie them in place and cut off the excess thread. And there's the gloves with little jingle bells on them.